Welcome to DigiFreak, experts in automated Excel and Google Sheets solutions. Today, we're excited to introduce our new Pigeon breeding tracker, fully compatible with both Excel and Google Sheets. With this tracker, you can easily record and manage the breeding records of your pigeons, helping you save both time and money. All your important data is stored in one place, and whenever you need the pedigree details of any pigeon, they're just one click away. During breeding selection, this sheet also helps you track records efficiently, making it easier to maintain and improve your breeding program. We designed this tracker to make pigeon breeding management simple, organized, and effective for everyone. Our sheet also includes a detailed user guide. In the user guide, we have multiple sections and step-by-step instructions on how to use the sheet efficiently. The tracker includes birds sheet, pairs sheet, chicks sheet, and a pedigree generation sheet, where you can easily find and print the pedigree of any pigeon. In the pigeon type sheet, you can edit and customize pigeon types according to your stock, categories, and their origin. This makes the tracker flexible and suitable for every breeder's needs. This is another birds sheet that keeps records such as the pigeon ring number and breed selection. The breed can be selected from a drop-down menu, and the data is automatically populated from the Pigeon breed sheet to reduce typing mistakes and improve efficiency. The sheet also records the pigeon's sex or gender, father or sire ring number, mother or dam ring number, date of birth, quality, and strain. One more thing, if you enter the same bird ring number twice, the sheet will automatically generate an alert to prevent duplicate entries and stop the same bird from being recorded multiple times. There is another sheet called Pairs, which keeps pairing records and tracks inbreeding risks to support a healthy and effective breeding program. If the birds are brother and sister, the sheet will automatically give you an alert. It will also provide alerts for close pairings, such as mother and son or father and daughter. This feature helps you make better breeding selections with confidence. Manually checking and maintaining these records can be very difficult, but this unique feature makes the process simple and efficient. In fact, many expensive breeding software programs do not even offer this functionality. The Chicks Registry and Hatch Records sheet allows you to record the chick's ring number, parents' ring numbers, hatching date, gender, quality, and color. The color data is automatically populated from the list sheet, and you can easily select it from a drop-down menu. Another important sheet is the Pedigree sheet, which provides a 3-generation pedigree of your pigeon. The information is automatically generated from the records you entered in the birds sheet. You only need to type the pigeon's ring number. And the sheet will instantly generate the complete 3-generation pedigree. Thank you for watching. To purchase this tracker, please click the link in the description below.